I hope we are good to go. Online team, can I get a response from you? Is my voice is clear? Let me check again. Supriya, thank you. And come on, I need few more responses. Rishi, thank you. Good, good. Fine. We'll do one thing. As usual, let me create running notes for today to continue for today's session. We or go back to the running notes where I'm creating and tuple data structure we are running and yeah, yes, boss, yes. 28 actually. Now we are going to close tuple data structure in another few minutes. And after that set data structure, we are going to continue. What data structure, sir? Set data structure. Now the today date is 18. This one is 18. Yeah, we already done list data structure. And tuple is running one actually. And upcoming is a set data structure. Yes, boss? Yes, yes. And I will give a small recap, don't worry. Good. Good evening, everyone. Online team, we are going to start. Now, prior to this one, we already done with one data structure. That data structure name is called as a list to data structure. What data structure, sir? List to data structure. And after that, we have continued with the tuple data structure. Let me list out the points for the tuple data structure. I can give a small recap actually. Good. This one is yesterday running notes. Let us add here actually. These are all things we done. Not only this one, whenever you are learning about any data structure, please make a note. First, you need to understand about the creation. First, we need to understand about what exactly create. Daniel, how to create? Simple. We can create a tuple data structure by using parentheses. By using what exactly, man? Parentheses we can create actually by using parentheses. Not only that one, we can use tuple function also. What function, sir? Tuple function. Storing the value. What type of values it can store? Simple, it can store same type of value and it can even store different types of values also. Make a note on this one. Size. Whenever you're talking about the tuple data structure, size is not dynamic. Daniel, why? Because of immutable nature. What nature, sir? Immutable nature. Once you have created a tuple, sir, it is fixed. Size is fixed actually. Now the next one, order. Insertion order is fixed. I mean to say, if you are inserting values 10, 20, 30, output also you will get like what exactly, sir? 10, 20, 30 only. I'm sorry. Duplicate values. Tuple can store duplicates like a list nature. Tuple can store what exactly? Duplicates. There is an important point in between list and tuple. The difference is list having mutable nature. List having what exactly? Mutable nature, and tuple having immutable nature. I mean to say, if you have created a tuple data structure, sir, don't try to change actually. Don't try to change. If you're still trying to changing, you will get an error. You will get what exactly? Error. Make a note on this. Next one, index. List follows, tuple and list both follows indexing. Indexing nature actually. Both of it is having indexing nature. Along with that, I have explained two surprises I have covered. Did you remember? There are two surprises actually. That heading I have given. Let's just try to open tuple data structure. Tuple data structure. We covered these are all. Yeah. When should you go for tuple data structure? I covered. Whenever you are going to create a data, I mean, in a project, whenever you are going to create a data, that data never ever change over the period. The data is not going to be changed actually. Then go for tuple data structure. Go for what data structure? We covered these are all yesterday. Surprise number one. single value tuple should end with comma separator. Talk with me. Single value tuple should end with comma separator. Otherwise, it is not a tuple. Otherwise, it is not what exactly? Tuple. We covered this. After this, I have started another point. The point will be whenever you are creating a tuple, parenthesis is an optional. What is an optional? Parenthesis. That symbol, it is an optional actually, but that's still okay. You no need to provide actually. Now I need to continue from here. Empty tuple is possible, sir. What is possible actually? Empty tuple. Empty string is possible. Empty list is possible. Same thing like, empty tuple is possible. You can create an empty tuple. Empty tuple. Now the tuple with group of values. Come on, look at my screen. And here we are creating a tuple. First one with parenthesis. Second one without parenthesis. Trust me, both are tuple only. Both are what exactly? Even though here you are not giving the symbol, Python interpreter automatically adding that parenthesis symbol. Parenthesis symbol. Can I write this example? Yeah, we are good to go. Let me just try to open example. Let me just try to come on. Equals to parenthesis 10, 20, 30, 40. 40. Now b equals to you can give 60, 70, 80, 90. Team, first one parenthesis, second one no parenthesis, but still b also what exactly, sir? Tuple only. Let us just try to print both a comma b. Now I wanted to check type of a and I wanted to check type of b. Type of what exactly? A, sorry. Next one, type of b. Very easy, sir. Very, very easy. Please focus. Don't sleep actually. Let us run the code. Yeah, both are tuple only. Both are what exactly? Tuple only. Tuple data structure. Example started. Creating couple of tuples. Two tuples actually. Sir, tuple or tuple? Tuple. Tuple. That is one of the data structure in Python. One of the data structure in Python. Move on. Tuple example. I hope we are not only homogeneous, it is following heterogeneous also. What exactly, sir? Heterogeneous also. Heterogeneous. By using tuple function, it's a right time. You need to be understand. Move on to the discussion. As I told you previously, you can create a tuple by using parenthesis, by using tuple function. One more time, by using parenthesis, by using tuple function. Parenthesis we already have seen. Now it's a right time you need to understand about tuple function. What function, sir? Tuple function, right? Now let me tell you, hey Daniel, I do have a list to data structure. What data structure? List data structure. Now let me just try to print this one. What exactly? So simple. I do have a mutable data. What data? I wanted to convert this one into immutable data. I wanted to convert this one into what exactly? Immutable data. This is also called as a typecasting. What exactly, sir? Typecasting. Also called as a type conversion also we can say. We can do very simple. What we can do, left hand side name of the variable. Here you need to provide tuple of a. What we need to provide, sir? Tuple of a. One more time. Tuple of a. What exactly we done here, we are converting list to data structure into tuple data structure. To convert that, we need to use one function. That function name is a tuple. Function name is what exactly? I am going to tell one important point here actually. Get ready to understand. Are you ready? Let me tell you what is that point. Let me tell you. Point is very simple, but seems to be, you have to please focus actually. Converting from list to, converting from list to what exactly? Tuple. Very good. Team, let us just try to have a discussion here actually. Important discussion. Important what exactly? Discussion. Good. Now let me check with you. Did you sense anything or not actually? By looking at this line, what you are feeling actually? Come on, I wanted to know. Can somebody tell me? This line and choose them. What you are understanding? What you are understanding? Come again. Excellent, sir. There are two persons, sir. Three persons are telling actually. I never expected you may tell actually. Listen carefully. First of all, tuple is a predefined function. Tuple is what exactly? Whenever there is a function calling you are assigning into variable, backend return statement is available. What is available? That point is very, very important. Very good. I got a 3 or 4 responses actually. Here onwards, whenever you are able to say, wherever function call, if it is assigning with variable, think like tuple is a function having the return statement. That's why they are assigning into the variable. That's why they are assigning into what exactly? Are you with me or not, sir? Good. So if you want, let us just try to make a note here. Tuple is predefined function. Tuple is what exactly, sir? Predefined function. All right. Now, this function having return. So we assign with variable. Assign with what exactly? Variable. That's what you need to be understand. All right. We are good to go. Let's continue. Important point. This one is important point. Yeah, we can create a tuple by using tuple function. That's what even we done actually. We done. Accessing elements of tuple. Same things like a list data structures are not much important, but anyway, let me just try to explain very quickly. Very quickly. Once you understand, whenever you are talking about the tuple, so simple man, first of all, try to understand how to create. Try to understand what exactly, how to create. How to what exactly create. Whenever you are talking about the tuple, it is having group of values. It is having what exactly? Though it is having group of values, then it's a right time you need to understand. Access the values. Accessing what exactly? Accessing the values. From the tuple, you need to understand how to access the values. That's what we need to call as a how to access the values. How to access what exactly? Values actually. Good. So how to access the values, simple. There are 3 ways. The first one by using index. Talk with me by using index. The second one by using slice. By using what exactly mean? Slice. Third one by using for loop. What loop actually, sir? For loop. Repeating again. Once you understand about how to create a tuple, it's the right time. You need to understand how to access the value. There are 3 ways. The first one index, second one slicing, third one for loop, as it is like a list to data structure. As it is like what exactly? List to data structure. List to data structure. With one simple example, I can explain very quickly. You will get an idea. By this time, you should know what do you mean by indexing. These are all things actually. A equals to, let me create a tuple. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Cool. Fine. Let me print. This one is something like you're printing all values in one shot. But if you wanted to apply some operation, you have to get one by one value. First value, second value. This is something like, imagine my parents, they bought one basket of apples actually. Then all we cannot eat in one shot actually. One by one we need to eat. Am I right or not, sir? This one also, tuple data structure is something like a group of values. Group of what exactly? And if you wanted to perform some operation, access one by one value. Access what exactly? One by one value, right? So the first one, how you can access, sir? You can access by using indexing. You can access by using what exactly? Indexing. Yeah, by using indexing, we are accessing. And what do you mean by index actually? Right? It's a position of value. Chappan sir? Position of value, where it is storing. It is called as an index. Index actually. The second one will be, Daniel, I wanted to access a subtuple. I would like to say this one is a main tuple. From this main tuple, I just wanted to access only limited values. I mean to say top 3 values I wanted to access. Otherwise, last 3 values I wanted to access. Otherwise, from 30 to 50, I wanted to access. Sir, no limitation. What exactly? No limitation. You can access actually. And 0 to 3. If you are providing 0 to 3, what exactly happen, sir? This one is a starting index, this one is ending index, right? 0, 1, 2, not 3, only till 2 only. Am I right or not, sir? 3 minus 1, what is the result actually? 2. Previous example, did I copy it actually in a running notes? Accessing value by using index. By using what exactly? Index. Let me just try to access this one. 1 minute. Accessing values by using slicing. By using what exactly? Slicing. Online team, I'm happy to answer, but kindly please bear with me for some time so that you will get an idea actually. Now I'm sure you got an idea. Let me just try to run this example. Yeah, we are getting output actually. 10, 20, 30. Now we are able to access the values by using slicing. By using what exactly, man? Slicing actually. Slicing. Yeah. You can understand this one. The third one will be, we can still access, I'm sorry, just now I have seen one point. What is that? We can add to the list, not to the tuple. Siddiq sir, I'm sorry, I didn't understand your point. Kindly please elaborate actually. I can answer your question. All right, good. Now, first one we have seen explained about how to access the values by using index. Second one by using slicing. Third one by using for loop. By using what exactly? For loop. For value in A. Now print of what exactly, sir? Value. Very simple. You can just have to print all values one by one. See, one by one you will get actually. How many keywords actually here? Chappal andaru. Two keywords. What are those? For in. For in. Accessing values by using for loop. Values by using what exactly? For loop actually. Oh, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me check with you. Boss, I'm sorry. Ma'am, are you from online? Okay, all right. I'm sorry. Let's continue. Index means position where the element stores. I hope you got a clear picture. Let's move to the discussion. And slicing also I covered. And for loop also I covered. And tuple is having immutability. Tuple having what exactly? Immutability nature. Just now you can see here. Once you create a tuple data structure, then we cannot modify. We cannot what exactly, sir? Modify. Then see. If you're trying to modify, you will get an error. You will get what exactly, sir? Error. You are getting an error. Okay. Do you want to run this example? It will be easy, sir. A equals to, let me create a tuple. 10, 20, 30, 40. Print off here. Now, Daniel, I don't want this position as a, 10 value. I wanted to replace that 10 value with 99. 10 value with what exactly? 99. Sir, if it is a list, you can do that. But if it is a tuple, you should not update actually. You should not update. You will get an error. What is that error? Type error. What error? Daniel, please don't do that actually. Okay. Let me answer. We are just trying to tuple having immutable nature. What nature, sir? Immutable nature. Immutable nature. There is a one question. Somebody is asking. Daniel A equals to, this one is a tuple, 10, 20, 30, 40. Right, good. Now let me tell you. Please understand the syntax. Please understand what exactly syntax. So somebody asked a question. Please make a note. A of 0. This is called as a index. What exactly mean? Index. Next one. A of, you can just try to use like this also. Starting index and ending index. Starting index and what exactly? Ending index. This is called as a slicing. What exactly, sir? Slicing. And A of, you can provide two columns also. This one also called as a slicing. What exactly, sir? Slicing. Trust me, not using in real time. Not using in what exactly? Real time. Not much important actually. Not much important. The third parameter here it is called as a step value. Cheptarandaru? Step value. I mean to say this one is a starting, ending, step. Trust me, we are not using this one. Somebody asked a question actually. Sir, still we can ignore. That point is not much important actually. Okay. Before data science, I do have a good experience. I worked in a full stack Python developer. What developer actually? Yeah, we are no. By God grace, we know end-to-end Python actually. But once I entered into the data science project, then I understand all Python not required actually. The total Python is not required. How much Python it is required, that's what I'm covering in a data science actually. Guys, are you getting your one? Yeah, one small point for today. There is a one point I wanted to cover. The point will be, while you guys are the first today, while you guys are joining for my demo, especially first today, did you notice I joined 15 minutes late actually? What exactly, sir? 15 minutes later. That is with intention. What management will tell, you can just try to start demo. Always you have to start with there is a buffer time actually. Then after that, did you notice actually till day, maximum I will join it exactly, what exactly, sir? 5:35. Am I right? With a sharp time. First point I like very punctual. I am very punctual. And come to the session exactly at right time so that you cannot miss any point actually. That is my request actually. Did you understand or not, sir? Yeah, please. Generally what people will think, this faculty is always late actually. But I am late for only demo, not for other sessions actually. Am I right or not, sir? That too with admin permission. Even I told to the admin, I won't like, sir, even when you join in a company, be punctual. Be punctual. Definitely it helps actually. Definitely it helps. Are you with me? Good. Let's move on. But you guys are coming at right time. But if any, with some personal emergency, joining at late, that is acceptable. But try to, don't join late for missing the 5 to 10 minutes actually. There are important points, man. We are not telling some harikada here actually. Technical discussion. I'm sorry for getting, let's move on. There are some math operators would you have. The plus operator, next one is a star operator. Plus operator works like a, talk with me, concatenation. Star operator works like a multiplication. What exactly? Let me read one comment I got actually. Till now, I felt you are joining 5 minutes late every day. Just kidding. I'm sorry, sir. Let me take this point. No. One of our teammate, what is telling, Arey Daniel, till now I feel that you are joining 5 minutes late every day. Just kidding actually. Come on, sir. Even I'm getting laughing actually. Good. But it is with intention. 5:35. Why I'm joining at 5:35, I do have a faculty meeting exactly at 5:30 to 5:35. And sir, let me tell you, Naresh, it is not like a normal institute actually. Every day, management will connect. They will take the feedback. How the sessions are going. I need to submit the report actually. I need to explain. If there are any remarks, I need to give explanation. Naresh, it is not a normal institute actually. We would have around some 20 plus years of, Naresh, especially it is having sound experience. Prior to this, I worked with other institutes in Bangalore especially. But those institutes, sir, we cannot compare with the Naresh IT. At Naresh IT, I do have a, when it comes to February, 2 years of experience. Almost 1.5 years over actually. That is not interview question for you, but I hope you understand. Can I get a response? Naresh IT is awesome. I can say this one. But Piyush sir, please, thanks for kidding actually. Can I continue? Yeah. Good. There are two math operators. The first one will be plus operator, next one is a star operator. So simple, this is something like a list data structure only. Plus operator joins the two tuples, also called as a concatenation. Star operator, what exactly it is doing, repetition. Operator works like a multiplication, but especially here you are just trying to joining the two tuples actually, right? So T1 plus T2. I hope this one is a basic example. You guys kindly please walk through. You can get an idea. Here it is repeating the value. Star 3. Hey Daniel, all set of all values, I wanted to repeat 3 times actually. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Length function. What exactly mean? Let's have a small discussion regarding the length function. I have a small point for you. Get ready to understand. A equals to tuple of 10, 20, 30 and 10, 10. Now B equals to length of A. Length of what exactly? A. Now print of A and print of what exactly? B actually. What is output, sir? Chappani. What is the length for a tuple actually? Chappani, sir. 5. Now I have one small question for you. Did you understand why I assign with variable actually? Because return statement. Yeah, we can reuse. We can what exactly? Reuse. It is also called as a function having return statement. That's what we are assigning into variable. That point seems to be very small point, but you have to please focus actually. I'm repeating again. Generally, whenever if a function having return statement, that function, calling, always you have to assign into the variable. Later, you can play with that variable. You can apply some operations. You will get an idea actually. Understand that not, sir? Good. I hope you became very good in functional programming language. Checking the length. Let's move on, please. The next topic is, so to return number of elements present in the list actually. Length is a predefined function. By using that, we can find the number of values in a tuple actually. Methods in tuple, very good. I hope you already know. I may not give much explanation, but by this time you know actually this topic. Am I right? Good. Go back to the session. Prior to methods in a tuple data structure, we already covered 2 points actually. Did you remember me gurtunda? Methods in tuple class. And prior to this one, what I covered actually? Methods in Chapal sir, list class. Prior to this one, what I covered? Methods in very good string class. So same topic as it is and copy paste actually. Sir, not only this one, sir. Madam, methods in set class. The next one, methods in dictionary class. And methods in series class. What class actually? Next one, methods in data frame class. Next one, machine learning. Methods in linear regression class. These are all important. Intentionally, I have created a pattern like this. Wherever you are able to see this kind of, heading actually, you can feel like we already know this topic actually. Tim, let me tell you, when you're talking about, sir, what is a class? My favorite topic actually, please be patient. See, minimum 30 minutes explanation I will give. What is a class? Once we enter into the object-oriented programming language, in Python programming language, the very, very important topic is called as a class, not data science class actually. That is a topic actually. Are you with me or not, sir? We'll see cover that one. Now, back to the session. Let me take this heading actually. There are 2 points you need to be understand. There are 2 points. The first point is, tuple is a predefined class. Chaptara sir, tuple is a predefined class. One more time, predefined class. Generally speaking, class contains methods. Class contains what exactly? You know by this term actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. When you're talking about the class contains what exactly? Methods. Can we list out small technical game actually? I hope you already know str. I'm sorry. str is a predefined class and upper is a method. Am I right or not, sir? Upper method. Next one is a lower method. Next one, split method, I guess actually. Strip method. The next one, count method. The next one, split method. These are all methods we have seen. Chappan sir, am I right? Same thing like that. Did you remember we have seen list also? What is the first method? Append method. Next one, count method. Very good. The next one, remove method. The next one, insert method. Respectively, we have seen these are all methods as well. Reverse method. What method, sir? Reverse method. These are all. Team. Same thing like that. Tuple also predefined class. Tuple also what exactly? Predefined class. But let me tell you, tuple class can contain mainly 2 methods. Only 2 methods actually. The first method name is a count. First method name is what exactly? Count. And the next method name is called as a index. What is the next method name, sir? Index. Only 2 actually. Not much methods. Can I get a response? Are you with me? Good. If you want, I will give a small theory. That theory I hope you already know. Any kind of program, any kind of what exactly program, you can implement in a 3 ways. You can implement in a how many ways actually? 3 ways. Did you remember? Gurtunda meeku? First one is a very good question. Let me answer this one. There is a good question actually. Sir, there are 2 answers. There are 2 answers for you. Understand, One of our teammates, Siddiq sir is asking, Are Daniel, is tuple is a function or constructor actually? Answer number 1. It is function, sir. It is function. Answer number 2. Regarding the constructor, regarding what exactly constructor, we'll see, we'll learn during OOPS topic actually, object-oriented programming. Hope you understand. But as of now, I may not explain immediately what is a constructor. Regarding constructor, you know what? My favorite topic, go to the object-oriented programming language. Around 30 minutes discussion actually. Constructor, the most important interview question. What is the topic name, sir? Constructor. One more time. We can talk later actually. Siddiq sir, can I get a response? Did you understand? All right, good. Back to the session. Did you remember? Wherever the methods in a specific class actually, there are some common points I used to cover. Any kind of Python program you can implement in a 3 ways. You can implement in a how many ways, boss? 3 ways. First one, Chappandaya, procedure oriented. Next one, Function oriented. Very good. Function oriented actually. Oriented. Next one is what exactly? No, object oriented approach. Object oriented what exactly? Approach actually. Approach. Object oriented approach. Let me tell you, Daniel, what do you mean by procedure oriented approach? Simple, writing a program. Chapman sir, writing a program by using procedure. By using, that is called as a procedure oriented. You already know that. I no need to highlight actually. Let's move on with the next one. What is the next one? Function oriented. Function oriented. Writing a program by using function. Writing a program by using what exactly? Function. I got one more comment. Let us see. Maybe today I'm getting, sir, don't say. Yeah, let me tell you. Writing a program, writing what exactly? Program by using function. By using what exactly? Function. Let us take the comment. Why? Because maybe it is a private comment or public comment actually. It is a private only. Let me take this one. Cool. Jyoti boss, sir, don't say favorite topic every time because every topic is your favorite topic only. Just kidding. Thank you, boss. I'm really laughing actually. So the point is, let me tell you, that's what. Why I'm telling every topic is my favorite topic, because daily in my working, I'm using all these topics actually. And especially there are some topics we have, sir, function topic, written type actually, keyword argument. Trust me, if you're asking in Python what is important, these three are main pillars actually. These three are main what exactly? Pillars. And along with this one, another topics would have class, next one is a object, next one is a constructor, the next one is a method. Next one is what exactly? Method. These are all very, very important actually. Very, very important. Are you with me? Good, good, good. All right. Let's move on. Back to the session. Function oriented. Daniel, what do you mean by function oriented? Writing a program by using function is called as a function oriented. If you wanted to understand about function oriented, there are 2 points you should be very clear. Chaptara, what are those points actually? First one, Chapan sir, how to create a function. Next one, second one, how to call a function. How to call what exactly? Call a function. This is the topic I am repeating almost 3 to 4 times actually. How many times? By this time we have to feel we already know this topic actually. How to create a function, how to call a function, you already know. Let us just try to call, there is a function name is a Rajesh, and let me just try to call, hello, good evening. Now you can call this function successfully. We understand how to call a function actually. We have created a function, we have called a function. All right. Team, what is the third point actually? What is the third point? Object oriented. What is the third one? Let us spend here some time. Object oriented approach. If you wanted to understand about object oriented approach, there are 4 points you need to be understand. How many points are chaptara? 4 points. First one, how to create a class. How to create what exactly? Chappalandra, how to create a? Next one. Second point, how to create a method. How to create method inside of the class. Chappan sir, inside of the class. Next one. How to create an object to a class. Next one. Chappan, how to, e point మీరు చెప్పండి. One more time. How to call a method. Sir, revision matters. How to call what exactly? Method. Very good. Daily prepare అవ్వాలి. Every day you have to prepare actually. Let us just try to create one example with all these points. We'll get an idea actually. Are you ready? Come on. Let me create one small class. We'll get an idea. Now the class is, I would like to create a class with my name. You will get an idea. One small point. User defined class. There is a rule actually. Always starts with capital letter. Always starts with what exactly? Daniel, what do you mean by user defined class? Sir, we are creating a class. Whenever you are creating a class, the good notation is the standard, the real time standard is always you have to give capital letter. There is a reason. I can talk later actually. We can create a class by using class keyword. We can create a class by using what keyword? Class keyword. Generally speaking, inside class, what we can create? Method. Class contains what exactly? Method. Talk with me. Class contains method. Let me write one small method. Method will be eating. I like eating, sir, especially biryani actually. Good. So successfully I have created a class and I have created one method. My method name is Chappan sir, method name eating. Let me tell you, eating, walking, working, these are all actions. These are all what exactly? A method can perform an action. That's what, the name supposed to be match actually, right? You can just try to write here, sir, I like biryani. I like what exactly? Biryani. Very well actually. Just asking, how many of you chicken biryani? That too actually. Just for fun, don't take personally. How many of you vegetarian only? Only vegetarian. Oh, okay, good. 3 members actually. So remaining all are our category only, right? Just I'm asking. Just I'm kidding. Please don't be personal. Yeah, good. We are good to go. Now the point is, successfully I have created a class and we have created a method. I wanted to call this method. Can I call directly? No. Like a function, you should not call directly. If you wanted to call the method, what we need to do, create an object to a class. Cheppandi. Create an object to a class. Generally, object creation is going to happen for a class, but not a method. But not what exactly? I mean to say, creating object to a class. Sir, valid statement. Valid actually. Next point. Creating object, sorry, to a method. Team, you know what actually? I should not use one word actually. Indirectly, you are abusing actually. You should not talk like that. Can I create an object to the method? No, 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 no. First of all, invalid statement. What statement actually? That's what I'm stressing. Creating an object. To whom actually? Class. Class మనం object create చేస్తాం. Method కాదు. Let us create an object. Left hand side, name of the variable. Right hand side, name of the class with parenthesis. Name of the class with what exactly? Parenthesis. After object created, then you need to call a method. You need to call what exactly? Method. See, now successfully all steps we have created in one example. Perfect. We got an output. I like chicken biryani. Good. Now I have a small question. Let us hover my mouse actually. I'm expecting answer from you. Can you tell me how many keywords in this example? ఈ example ఎన్ని keywords ఉన్నాయి? I will cry. If you didn't reply, I will cry actually. One more time. My last question actually. How many keywords would you have? Two keywords. How many keywords? Two keywords. First one class. Next one def. Self is not a keyword. Self is not what exactly? Keyword. Sometimes if you have given wrong answer also feel happy. At least you tried. But I never oppose actually. I never point you why you are saying wrong answer. No, no. Try something. Next one. Can somebody tell me what is the Daniel actually? Name of the class. What is the eating? Name of the method. What is the D? Object. The whole line is called as a object creation. Chappalandaru. This line is called as a method calling. What exactly? Perfect, sir. Chappan, sir. Simple, man. You can just have to go for actually by using self. I mean, you can just have to write one more method here. You mean to say inside what exactly? Inside this method. This is called as a nested method. Can we discuss during object-oriented programming language? Nested method is possible. Good question. But anyway, the topic is quite different. A method, instead method, you can create one more method. This is called as a nested method. What method actually? We can talk later. Why? Because during object-oriented programming language, we can see actually. Back to the session. Take this example. You can just have to write here actually. I mean to say, this one is class creation. Yeah, this one is method creation, object creation, method calling actually. Successfully, we have written an example. Class, next one, method, next one, object, next one, method call. Method calling actually. Cool. We done these are all. Team, like how Daniel is a class, same thing like that. Tuple is a predefined class. Tuple is what exactly? Predefined class. One more time, sir. Tuple is predefined class. Like how eating is the method, inside tuple, we also having the predefined method. We also having what exactly? Now, if you wanted to access this method, object is required. What is required, sir? If you wanted to access tuple method, tuple object is required. What object required, sir? tuple object is required. That's what you need to be understand. Okay. Now we are entering into the topic. Let's move on. There might be one valid question. I would like to take this one. There might be some one valid question. Maybe if other students also having this kind of question, let me answer. Maybe one of our student, Rani, she is asking question. I read Daniel. I just wanted to ask you one thing. That's okay. In data science, will you teach us how to create an app actually? Good. The point will be, team, let me tell you, in a data science, imagine once you join in a company, what are all activities we need to do? First one, in real time, loading the data set. Chapani, loading the data set. Being a data scientist, these are all your roles and responsibilities. Roles and responsibilities. Once after you have loaded the data set, the next point will be how to do the data analysis. How to do what exactly? Data analysis. Once after that, the next point will be data visualization. Chappan sir, data visualization. After this one, the next step is a model creation. What creation? Model creation. Model creation, especially ML algorithm, either ML or DL or else other algorithm actually. Algorithm. After that, the fifth point is a train the algorithm. Train the model. Model training. Simple, you can also call as a model training. And the sixth step is a prediction. Sixth step is what exactly? Prediction. And the seventh one is a deployment. Seventh one is what exactly? Deployment. Being a data scientist, this is all points are our role, but not app creation. App is a kind of some Android app and different app actually. But this course belongs to exactly, these are all points in real-time project we are doing actually. But project creation, I'm going to help you. How to create a one web application project to do these are all things actually. Boss, you got a clarity, I guess, actually. When you're talking about the app, I mean, mobile app, these are all we are not doing actually. This is especially belongs to the data skill actually. Rani ma'am, I hope you understand. Your silence indicates, no answer indicates to you understand clearly. Let's move on. Did you understand everyone? Let's move on. Yeah, yes, sir. Here everything it will over actually. We have a separate discussion also. Go to our material. So here that one is a separate stream actually. Data analysis. Everything, in a data analysis around 21 topics actually. 21 topics. All are important. MySQL also we are covering, sir. Database also we are covering. I know. I'm from real time. I know what topic I need to cover. Thank you. Let's move on to the discussion. Where are we? Currently, we are working with, methods in a tuple data structure. What data structure? Methods in a tuple data structure. As discussed, tuple is a predefined class. I can take over your questions actually. No worries. I can take over your questions later. Let us just try to continue the discussion. As discussed, tuple is a predefined class. So tuple class can contain methods because methods can be created inside of what exactly? Just now, even I have created actually. I have created a class. My class name is Daniel. Inside Daniel class, I have created a eating method. We can check all these methods by using one predefined function. That predefined function name is a dir. Chapani sir? Chapani? Yeah, good. So internally, tuple class contains two types of method. First one will be with underscore symbol. Second one will be without underscore. With underscore you can ignore. Not completely. We can talk later. Without underscore you need to focus actually. Yeah, you can just try to say print dir of tuple. Dir of what exactly? Tuple actually. Please make a note on this one. These are all underscore you can ignore. There are two methods. First method name is a count. Next method name is a index. Important point. I hope for every data structure I kept the same point actually. Wherever object oriented came, hold on. We can cover later actually. Methods in tuple. Count method. Next one is a index method. This is possible. Almost count method we are saying in string it is available. Chappan sir, string it is available, list also available, tuple also available. Possible. They have given according to their interest actually. If you want, I will give one small example. The example will be, let me tell you how come it is possible. Count is a method. In str class it is available, list class it is available, tuple class it is available. Upper method that is okay. Next one, count method. First one, let us just try to make a note. Count method here also it is available. It's okay. Count method here also it is available. Count method. These are all valid actually. upper method. Next one, append method. The next one in tuple. What methods are? Index method actually. Team, every class is a separate family. Every class is what exactly? That's okay. You know, they can create their own method actually. If you want, let me tell you one small point. What is that point, you know? I do have a brother. Brother name is a Prasad. My name is a Daniel. Yeah, good. My brother having a son, his name is a Akshay. What is the name, sir? Akshay. And even I have a son, I can give the name is what exactly? Akshay. That is still possible actually. Why? Because both are separate family. Both are what exactly? Same thing like that. str is a separate class, list is a separate class, method names are same, valid actually. Method names are same, what exactly mean? Valid. Please make a note on this one, okay? Small clarification. If anyone having any doubt actually. Back to the session, count method. Count method works like a same. Let's move on. Count is a predefined method. We should access this method by using tuple object only. This method returns the number of duplicate values, number of occurrences of specific item actually. Go back and here equals to tuple. I'm talking about the tuple 10, 20, 30 and 10, 10, 10. 10, 10, what exactly sir? 10. Can I give one small update actually? In another 5 to 10 minutes, we are going to close the tuple. In another 5 to 10 minutes, we are going to close the tuple and we are entering into the new topic. The topic name is called as a set data structure. Guys, tell me what is the topic? Get ready. Get ready. I want you have to be more active actually. Let me print tuple and Daniel. 10, how many times it is available? I wanted to know Daniel actually. Then you need to call a count method. What method, sir? Very simple. And let me check your intelligence actually. Yeah, we are getting an output here. I would like to say count method. Cool. Can somebody tell me? చెప్తారా ఎవరైనా? What is output actually? Sir, I will cry, please. Come again. One more time. గట్టిగా చెప్పండి. You guys are right actually, but why you are doubting? If method name is wrong, always, no matter what, either list class, string class, tuple class, Daniel class also, you have to call method name properly. Otherwise, you will get an error. Error name is a attribute error. What error, sir? What error? Important. ఇది మీరు గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. Maybe let me check the points. Online team, let me drink water actually. All right, Mahesh, can we create a method in predefined class actually? Good question. Sir, can we create a, yeah, that's what I have taken your question. Maybe you asked the question actually. First of all, good question, sir. Let me tell you. The point is, yes, we can do that. We can what exactly? Do that, but not recommended actually. What exactly, sir? Not recommended actually. Let me tell you. The point is, what our friend is asking, Daniel, let us take a tuple class. Let us take what class actually? Tuple class. Can I create my own method inside tuple class actually? You can create. But let me tell you how you can create, because even I can tell you the answer actually. Python is open source. Python is what exactly? Open source. Open source. Open source means what exactly, what is the meaning of open source? Any idea? Oh, good. Open source means, let us have some cool discussion today. We have enough time. Can I continue? 2 to 3 minutes. Such a nice discussion. I'm going to continue. Can I continue? Good. Team, what do you mean by open source? There are 2 points you need to be understand. First point, open source in the sense we can download software free. We can download software and it is a free. It is what exactly? That is one of the meaning. Second meaning will be whenever you are downloading the Python, whenever you are downloading what exactly, sir? Downloading the Python. Team, source code also we can download. What we can download? Source code also free. What do you mean by source code? As I told you, tuple is a predefined class. The tuple predefined class, imagine who created actually? Python creator created. Who created, sir? Python creator. And he will give the code actually. He will give what exactly? Code. That code you can open and you can update actually. But let me tell you, though you have written the method, then you only knows actually. You only what exactly, sir? Knows. Are you with me? But the common methods, only two methods actually. What is the first method name, you know? Count. Next one is a index actually. Did you understand? Can I get a response? Now, one point. There was one student, Mahesh sir, you understand. I mean, I answered your question. There might be a counter question here actually. What is a counter question? I like this one. Daniel, can you tell me, Python software is what exactly? Chappan sir, free. What is that one? Free. Free in the sense, sir, zero cost. What cost actually? Frankly speaking, someone created one programming language. He made it like a free. Then here is the point actually. Why he made it like a free? Then what is the advantage for him? Am I right? You can generally, whenever you are doing any task, actually, you can think, nakenti. Am I right or not, sir? What is advantage for that one actually? Now here, what is advantage for him, sir? Let me tell you, there are some people, they do have a passion, so they can create the best of things and they can give to this world as a free actually. Especially he has given, initially, so he given as a free, sir. He given as a what exactly? Free. Then all companies started using. All companies, what exactly, sir? Companies started using. All companies started using actually. Then now all companies realized actually, man, such a great programming language. Somebody have given the free actually. You know about the Google company, right? You know about what exactly? Team, you know what? On an average, 60% of the softwares, they are running backend with the Python. Backend with what exactly? Now Google company, this company was thinking very seriously. Somebody have given the best programming language. That too they have given as a free. It's the right time. I need to donate something. I need to donate what exactly? Something actually. Then recently, 2 years back, Google company donated, you know what? $1 million actually. How much actually, sir? Do you wanted to see that one? Initially, it is free. Initially, in the sense, till now also. But he never expected actually. Now, why companies are donating the money, So for that Python community, sir, he also human being, the one who created actually. He also needs some team. He also need to pay some money. He may not pay from his pocket actually. Am I right or not, sir? Then these companies are donating the money and he is utilizing to expand the Python features. To expand what exactly? Trust me, Python is using almost all companies actually. If Python is not using any company, get ready in another 1 year or 2 year, that company we need to call as a legacy company. A company, sir? Legacy in the sense, old company actually. Old company, right? Go to the Google and here you can type, Google company donated funds to Python. Funds to Python. How much funds it has given? Wow. You can just try to see here. In addition, Google donated. How much actually, sir? చెప్తారు ఎవరన్నా 3,50,000 3,50,000 dollars Python software PFS actually, making the company organization is first visionary sponsor actually. And even recently it is, so if you want, you can kindly please walk through. Now Google 3,50,000 supposed to, recently it was done on an average 2 years back actually. Not only Google is one of the company like this. Almost all companies initially he given as a free only. He created such a programming best language actually. He has given as a free, but now he's getting like a huge benefit actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good, fine. That was one of the Python community, that is called as a PSF actually. Not much important. Python Software Foundation. Talk with me. What exactly? Python Software Foundation. Python Software Foundation. Good. Seriously, maybe I already told one point. That point. What is the point? Maybe did I told or not? Can I we done these are all? Exactly, sir. Anyone can pull the source code and after making some changes, they can send the, so merge request to the related authority. If they like, it will be processor actually. Siddiq sir, you are exactly right. Valid point actually. If they like the implementation, what you have done, that you can do actually. I already told actually, my name is Daniel, but I know 3 programming languages, sir. I know how many programming languages? 3 programming languages. The first one, Java. I was a Java guy. I know Java. Next one is a Scala programming language. What is the next one? Scala. Next one is a Python. Next one is what exactly? Python. Python programming language. One day I went for interview. One day I went for what exactly, sir? Interview. During that interview, I got one question actually. I got one question. What is that question? You know, in my resume, that guy I have seen Java, Scala, Python. What exactly, sir? Java, Scala, Python. Who is taking my interview? You know, so he is a Java developer. He's the Java developer. He is taking my interview. He is taking what exactly my interview. He told directly, I'm a Java guy. Let us proceed for the interview. But in that company, there was a Python project, and you know they're trying to recruit me actually. That guy asked a question. Such a good question. What is the question? You know, Daniel seems to be, Nirikshan seems to be, you know, 3 programming languages: Java, Scala, Python. What is the question you asked? You know, sir. Uh, which one you like actually? Which one? What exactly you like very well? You like what exactly very well? Very tough question actually. Am I right or not, sir? Why? Because you know, if I say Java, then counter question. Why you go for Scala and Python actually? And he may cross question. If I say Python, then he may counter cross question. Do you think Java is not good actually? Counter question. Then what I replied, you know, sir? Let me tell you. I like Java, but married Python actually. Married what exactly, sir? Python. I'm sorry, did you understand? Please understand the point actually. Sir, I'm a Java guy. I like Java very well. But unfortunately, what exactly? Married the Python. Conclusion of the story. Let me tell you, when I entered into the Python, I thought like I supposed to go back to the Java, but trust me, Python is seriously awesome. Especially data skills actually. What exactly meant? Data skills. Did you understand or not, sir? Yeah, good. All right, let's move on. Back to the session. Maybe these are all not required for you. So seems to be, let us have a more technical discussion. Come on, back to the session. Count method I covered. The next one will be what I covered, you know. So index method also. What method, sir? Index method. So Daniel, a specific value, I just wanted to pull the index actually. And which index it is available. Then you need to call a method. Method name is a index. Not much using, sir. Not much using. Kindly please walk through. Whenever you are accessing specific value index, if the value is not available, so seems to be here you are trying to accessing 30th value index. What is index actually? 0, 1, 2. Then you will get the second index actually. But if you're trying to accessing the index which is 88, not available, then you will get a value error. What error? Chappali, what error? Value error actually. Now, sir, $1,000 entry question. Very, very important. Please make a note on this one. Daniel, can you tell me the difference between list and tuple? The difference between what exactly? List and tuple. List and tuple are exactly same except small difference. These are all points. Please make a note actually. List objects are mutable. List objects are what exactly, sir? Mutable. Mutable. Next one. Tuple objects are immutable. When you're talking about the list, it is having mutable nature. Tuple having immutable nature. I would like to say this one is the, you know, so same point actually. In both cases, insertion order is what exactly? Preserved. I would like to say these two are main difference. All these are all same similarity. Chappan sir, insertion order is a fixed. Duplicates can store, yeah, allowed. Heterogeneous objects are allowed. Indexing and slicing is supported. The main difference is list having mutable, tuple having immutable. Immutable. I have given one small table also. Yeah, size also. Size. When you're talking about the immutable, size is automatically fixed actually. Let me talk about the list. Look at my screen. List is a group of comma separated value within the square brackets. And square bracket is what exactly? Why I'm highlighting here, you know? Why? Because tuple is a group of comma separated value within the parenthesis, and parenthesis is, yeah, please make a note actually. There is a some small counterpart. List objects are mutable. Daniel, what do you mean by that? Sir, once you create a list, you can change the values. You can change what exactly? Value. Yeah, exactly we can do that. But tuple objects are what exactly, sir? Immutable. Sir, don't touch. You should not change actually. If you're trying to changing, you will get an error. You will get what exactly? Error. Good. Next point. If the data is not fixed, think like you are working in a project. You are going to define a data. If the data keep on changing, if the data keep on what exactly? Changing, you have to go for list. You have to go for what exactly? List. And if the content is fixed and never changes, then we should go for what exactly mean? Tuple data structure. Data two types, sir. Listen carefully. Some data never change. Some data can change. Best example, all our 10th class marks never change actually. Can I update actually? Never possible, sir. Never possible. Then you need separate data structure. I mean to say immutable data. What data? Let me talk about our salary. Our salary is supposed to be changed. We are all having families actually. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, salary is supposed to be changed. Data two types. One is mutable data. Next one, immutable data. Mutable means can be changed. Immutable means where are all can be changed, go to the list data structure. Where are all not changing, go to tuple data structure. There is one important interview question. Now I'm going to cover actually. What is that interview question? Listen carefully. During interview, they will try to make you to confuse actually. The question will be A equals to, they will try to confuse you. How they will ask this question, such an interesting question. 50 come out exactly 60. First of all, it is possible. First of all, it is what exactly possible. Inside tuple, 10, 20, these are all separate values, integer. First value, second value. When it comes to next value, sir, this is the list to data structure. What data structure? List can store heterogeneous data. I mean to say, give any data, either integer, floating, list, string, anything you can give actually. It is possible. First of all, let me show you actually. During interview, what they will ask, they will ask like this. Can I change this one actually? I mean, can I change this tuple? They will ask actually. Now your answer should be, you cannot change the tuple, but you can change one thing. What is that one, sir? List actually. Did you understand or not, sir? I wanted to print only 10. How to print actually? Do you want to see, do you want to see pictorial diagram? There is a one website name is a Python tutor. Click on this. Click on this. Come on, sir, please. Java, right? Click on edit code. Yeah, come on. Let us just try to run this one. Visualize execution. Yeah, click on to the last. Now, చూడండి ఇక్కడ మీకు ఒక ఐడియా వస్తుంది. Successfully, tuple is created. What is created, sir? Tuple. What is the first value? 10. Second value? 20. In 0th index, 10. First index, 20. Second index, team, talk with me. List to data structure. What data structure? Yeah, now please understand. You cannot change 10 value. Why? Because 10 belongs to tuple. Very good. You cannot change 20 value. Why? Because 20 belongs to tuple. But you can change 30 value. Why? Because actually, list actual. That's what you need to be understand. Sir, meeku ardhaminda? Good. Now I have one small question. Let me show you how to change also. I wanted to access this 10 value. How I can access actually? A of 0. Ante kada? A of 0. I wanted to access 20. A of 1. I wanted to access total list actually. A of 2. Chappandi. A of 2. One more time. A of 2. Now understand. I wanted to access 30. How to access, A of 2, 0. Are you with me or not, sir? Let me show you. Meeku oka idea vastadi actually. Chudandi ikkada. Let us just to print A of. Easy, sir. Very easy. Please focus on this. F1. Now print A of చెప్తారు 2. Next one. Yeah. Let us make it like this. More clarity. 2. Next one is a 0. Children, sir. I'm pretty sure you'll understand step by step actually. Very good. A of 0, 10. A of 1, 20. A of 2, sir, total list actually. Now I wanted to touch this value Daniel actually. This one is the syntax. A of 2 of what exactly? 0. మీకు అర్థమైనప్పుడు రా. Good. Now we'll do one thing. Easy, man. Very easy. Now Daniel, I wanted to replace instead of 30, I wanted to replace some 99. I wanted to replace with what exactly? Very simple. Take this one. It's okay. Double equals to 99. Then you can just have to print what exactly? You can print a tuple actually. You can print what exactly, sir? Tuple. See, like this. Do you think tuple changed actually? No, 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 no. What changed actually, sir? List to data structure. What changed actually? Sir, did you understand? Can I get a response actually, everyone? You understand, I guess. Not only changing, Daniel, I wanted to add one value. Yeah, if you wanted to add a value, first of all, it is the list actually. No, no, no. I'm sorry. F2 is the list. F2 is what exactly, sir? List. F2 dot append method we need to call. Sorry. Append method we need to call. What method, sir? Append method. Can I ask one question? Why I'm giving F2 actually? Chapter evarana? Because that is a list. That is what exactly, boss? Though it is a list, you can call method. Method name is a append. What is the method name, sir? Append. Chudani ikkada. Wow. Value got added actually. Value got what exactly, sir? Added. Like this you need to be understand. Cheppandi. No, sir. That's what I'm telling. Here, backend list size is increasing. Tuple size is fixed actually. List size is increasing. Okay. That index is a capable. It can store the value. It can store the value. Take this one. Team, you know, with this explanation, adding value to list. Value to list. Good, good, good. We are good to go. I will do one thing. These are all I can delete actually. Now in one shot I will show you this example. You will get a very clarity. Exactly. Exactly. Actually. All right, let's continue. But mostly we are not doing, sir. Please make a note actually. So if you want, I will give one real-time example. Can I give one real-time example? You guys are. I understand counter questions actually. Can I give one real-time example actually? You'll get an idea. Yeah, let me give one real-time example. I'm giving. Please understand. Imagine Gmail creation is done. What is done actually? Gmail creation is done. Is done. Once Gmail is creation is done, then you can give your first name, last name. These are all things actually, and date of birth. These are all things we can give. Then they are storing the data. First, they are giving high priority to the list actually. What they are giving, sir? High priority. Think like my first name is a Kasagani. My first name is Kasagani. The last name is a Daniel. Last name is what exactly? Daniel. And you know, to store the third value, my Gmail ID, they are using tuple. They are using what exactly? Tuple. What is my Gmail ID? You know, so think like Daniel@gmail.com, comma is required. Why it is required actually? Comma. Now here, respectively, my age actually. What exactly, sir? My age. They can calculate accordingly like this actually. Something like, you know, my age. Now, did you understand this one? Chudani. First name they are storing within the list as a string because changeable. We can change actually. Something went wrong in a Gmail. First name we can change actually. Kada? Chappan sir. Second name also I can change. But can I change my mail ID? That's what they are storing in the tuple. That's why they are storing within what exactly mean? Tuple. Meeku ippudu ardhamayindi actually. Yeah, that's what. I mean, they takes care about data storing. These are all actually. With my explanation, in the second index position, list is available. To that we can add actually. Can we add, you know, can I add element to this tuple actually? We should not add directly, but in the second position there is a one value. That value is what exactly, you know, sir? List actually. For that we can add actually. Can I ask you one question? What is append actually? Chapani. Method in a list class. Good. We done with the tuple. We done with what exactly? Tuple. Did you understand? Immediately I'm starting the set actually. Immediately we are starting the set data structure. You know, list to data structure we done. Next one is a tuple data structure also we done. Now we are starting the set data structure. This one I would like to say running topic. What topic actually? Running topic. Take this one. Yeah, back to the session. Sir, the topics are keep on increasing. Daily, slowly by slowly. Let me tell you, every day. Only when I started the session, only the first 1 or 2 days is the theory. First 1 or 2 days is what exactly? Theory. Frankly speaking, I hate theory. But after that, we started the examples. We started what exactly? Every day, minimum per day, 10 examples I am covering. All these examples you have to do practice. Sir, through practice only you can understand. Through what exactly? Practice matters. I am repeating again, practice is important actually. Practice is very, very important. Very, very important. Set data structure. Again, new data structure came. How simple it is, If you really understand list and tuple, set is very easy, sir. Move on, Python. We have some 10 minutes actually. I will start the cinema. Can I continue? If you say no, also I will continue, sir. Please. Let's continue, please. Good. Back to the session. Can somebody tell me what is the topic name? Set data structure. Always first we need to understand about the create. What we need to understand? Create. How to create a set data structure? We can create a set data structure by using curly brace. By using what exactly? Wherever, especially when you're talking about the curly brace, add one word actually, with values. What exactly, sir? With values. One more time, with values. Next one will be, we can use set function also. We can use what exactly mean? Set function. I'm repeating again. We can create a set data structure by using curly brace, and you can also call as a flower brace. That is up to you. Which one you wanted to call, you can call actually. Curly brace with values. Values mandatory. Otherwise, it is not a set. Why I'm highlighting, I will cover that point actually. Second point is by using set predefined function. By using what function actually? Set predefined. Let me show you. Go back and you can just have to come here. S equals to, curly brace I'm giving 10, 20, 30, 40. Successfully, we have created a set data structure. We have created what exactly, sir? Set data structure. Right. Now this one is called as a type of yes. Type of what exactly? Yes. Hold on. Maybe one small update. Maybe I'm not sure. Kind update. Kind update actually. The update will be. I hope in Google Classroom also you have seen. Am I right? Yesterday, not yesterday, maybe in 2 days back, I had a meeting with admin actually. Admin told my presence is really matter. So we are planning to conduct kind of some lab actually. I hope lab we do have. Especially offline is high priority. What exactly, sir? Offline is high priority. From tomorrow onwards. From what exactly, sir? Tomorrow onwards. Tomorrow onwards. Especially in between, I can say 3 to 4. 3 to what exactly, sir? 4. I'm available in the lab. I'm what exactly, sir? Available in the lab actually. Available in what exactly? Lab. What is the main motto? The first point will be, it is a kind of some study hour. What hour, sir? In your 10th class or 9th class, you might have seen study hour actually. Maybe I'm planning to conduct that one. Along with that, maybe weekly pattern will change actually. First week study hour, second week will be use cases implementation, practice actually. It is more on practice. More on what exactly? Practice. If you wanted to attend especially offline, laptop mandatory. Don't ask my laptop actually. Are you getting or not, sir? Yeah, laptop is mandatory, right? That we are going to conduct from tomorrow only. Management. At Naresh IIT, admin rules are very strict actually in terms of the faculty. They told, Daniel, your presence is really matter. Then I have given my time actually. Are you with me or not, sir? 3 to 4 is lab time. Many of other batch students also will join actually. What about online? Let me talk with regarding online also, sir. Let me talk with regarding online also. As of now, I don't have any update, but let me plan. As of now, it is offline. 1 minute. Online time, please hold. And from when onwards actually? Tomorrow onwards Tomorrow onwards. Good, all right. So fine, this one is an update actually. Kindly please attend tomorrow. Sir, there is no force. But let me tell, if you want a job actually, and before the job, subject is matter. What matter? Try to create a pattern in your life. Specify 1 hour for preparation daily. then you will become expert actually. You will become what exactly? Expert. I will tell you how to do practice, what practice, these are all things. Initially 1 or 2 days, try to digest actually the environment, these are all things. But you will get habituated slowly by slowly. Getting or not, sir? Good, please focus. All right, maybe I will continue tomorrow. We done for today's session? We done for today's session actually, today's session. Lab especially, you just try to come here. Maybe the room number I can announce actually. Maybe you can expect the some crowd also, other students also will come. Come here, do practice. I will tell you effective methods to do the practice actually. Are you ready, sir? All right, we done for today's session. We'll connect tomorrow. We'll connect tomorrow actually. And tomorrow topics. Tomorrow topics. Let me show you. Tomorrow topics. So simple set data structure. If time permits, maybe may not enough. We will continue with the dictionary data structure. Dictionary data structure. All right, we done for today's session. Naresh IT, KBHP location. Good. We are good to go. Thank you, team. Thank you for attending today's session. We done for today's session. Don't miss tomorrow. If you are interested, you can join in a lab also. You can meet at me. Cool. Let me upload running notes on material. Anyone is not available in Google Classroom? Everyone is available, I guess, actually. Boss, okay. Can you tell your mail ID? While you are leaving, you can tell actually. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm wondering, online team they should add actually. Maybe they have missed out, I guess. Okay. By this time, everyone should be available, but still it is okay. If you guys are not available, I can help you. Tuple I already added. Go back here. What is the role of SQL? Kindly remind me tomorrow. I can talk actually. Kindly remind me tomorrow. Team, look at my screen. Tuple data structure. Here itself, I'm adding the today running nodes. Is it fine for you? Why? Because today total session belongs to tuple only. What is the running nodes number? Gurtunda meeku? Chappan sir. 530. 28. Good. Means till date 28 sessions are over actually. Now the set data structure, can I upload PDF actually? Can I upload PDF? Somebody texted, I guess actually. Hey Daniel, I'm unable to see the files in zip file. Sir, you need to extract actually. Extracting the zip file is a common operation in a Windows operating system. You need to extract, then you can see the files. You know, right? If you don't know also, do let me know. That one also I can help you. But that one is a very basic one. You should know some Windows command. Go back and let me just try to upload the material. Python. Set data structure. Where is that? Yeah. Good. You can just try to add here. Even you can just try to add here too. Good guys. Thank you. We're done for today's session. Thank you. Thank you for attending today's session. Online team, somebody asking question. Kindly remind me tomorrow regarding the SQL. I can talk actually. I can talk. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, Chapani.